Morning, greetings, salutations, YouTube, it's Adrian here. Welcome to another episode of the vlog. I just finished packaging up some stuff. And the kids are doing mommy school. A mango smoothie, Liza, and mom just made some delicious looking tuna salad. Alright, so I totally didn't film this earlier, but mom is making some delicious chocolate chip cookies, which we're all very excited about. Guys! Okay, mom's cookies are so good. I'm eating some right here off of this spatula. They're so delicious. Kids are watching Artemis Fowl right now. They're over here hanging out, eating snacks.
It's not Sam's candy.
Oh, the drama! Cade, why aren't you sharing candy?
Hunter has his own.
You have your own?
It does say like kid candy.
Oh. So mom is in the kitchen. She's making tempura shrimp. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's so yummy. And then I'm gonna go outside right now. We're gonna go collect some basil. Ooh. I want to move this, but it's doing so well. I wanted to move it back to its old spot, but I'm not doing really well. Except, I don't know, I feel like, is it getting eaten by something? Oh my god, is something eating it? Look at this new leaf. Like, this new leaf is so gorgeous. There's a new one popping up right there. There's that one. There's that one. There's so many new pieces just popping up. Oh. Anyway, I'm gonna get some of this. There's a bunch too somewhere else that I can get, but I'm gonna primarily get some from right here, I think. Alright, you guys, I got a good little harvest. Now I'm going to separate all of like the large leaves and then wash them. And then we're gonna be good to go. Alright, our shrimp and basil tempura is all done. We have some lemons for garnish. And it looks so delicious. Cannot wait to eat. Alright, so I just watered the plants outside. Now I am checking all the indoor plants to see what needs to be watered so I can water them. Those I'm just like letting the water drip out and I'll put them back. And in the meantime, I'm gonna finish cleaning up the rest of the kitchen because a little bit of a hot mess. Alright you guys, oh my gosh. I was just listening to Jeff Lewis. I don't know if you guys, I think I mentioned him to you guys before, but his radio show on Sirius XM is so funny, and I was just cracking up because all these crazy stories that he tells. But I actually really miss his TV show. It was so funny. It was called Flipping Out, and he had this maid named Zoila, and she is so amazing. She's like, oh my gosh, she was so hilarious. And I remember for her birthday, like, he got her, like, a facelift and, like, all this plastic surgery, and it was so crazy. I kind of want to rewatch that TV show right now. It was really, really good. Actually, speaking of TV shows, right now, I'm reliving my childhood because I'm rewatching Teen Wolf. And has anyone else watched that show? Comment down below. I don't know why I'm rewatching it, but it's like so good. I'm just like reliving the good old days. Like it makes me want to, like back then, like what did I watch during like, well, Teen Wolf was kind of like, I think it was like in 2011 or 10 or something. And I think it went till 2016. It went for a while. But I love like those supernatural type of shows. I watched Vampire Diaries. I watched the originals. And then like the ones that weren't super. Oh, I watched also Supernatural. I used to watch Heroes. Oh, Heroes was such a good show. I miss like, I don't know. I miss like those shows from back then. I feel like shows now are not the same as they used to be. And they just hold like a certain nostalgia that just like, I don't know, just like, it transports you to another era. And I don't know, it's just fun to watch. But comment down below. Let me know what you guys are watching right now, because once I finish Teen Wolf, I'm gonna need something else. And I've been thinking about like Gilmore Girls. That was such a good show. Gilmore Girls, Gossip Girl. I kind of watched One Tree Hill. Wasn't really too into it. And I never watched Dawson's Creek. I did watch Roswell. Roswell's really good. And I kind of watched the Roswell that they have now, but I think the season just ended like last month or just recently. So I did watch the last episode of that too. So that was pretty interesting. Oh, I watched Pretty Little Liars. That show is pretty good. Pretty Little Liars. Man, I just watched so much TV. But that's how I got through like college and everything. Like, I love working and just having the TV on. Like, I don't necessarily like watch it, but I just like to hear it. But I just have like it's funny because like my parents laugh at me. Like, I have like this uncanny ability of paying attention to the TV and like doing other stuff. Like, I'll be like doing my homework or whatever, and like the TV will just be on, and then like we'll be like at dinner, and then like they'll be talking about the TV show, and I'll be like, oh yeah, da da da, and talk about it too. And they're like, I thought you were doing your homework. And I'm like, yeah, I was. And they're like, yeah, like were you like, but you, how did you pay attention and watch at the same time and do all that? And I was like, I don't know. So I don't know. It just helps me. I feel like it actually helps me concentrate more, which is strange. But yeah, I don't know if that's just me being crazy. But oh, P.S. You guys have to make shrimp tempura with tempura basil. It's the only way now to eat it. It's so good. The flavor combination is exquisite. Oh, excuse me, I got a hiccup. I showed you guys that tempura before. If I can find a photo of it, because I think I took a photo of it in the store, I'll put it up here for you guys. But I have shown it to you guys before when I went to the 99 Ranch Market. That tempura batter is so good, and it's perfect for shrimp or vegetables. It's the most delicious one. All you need afterwards is just like a little like salt and pepper or something. When mom makes the shrimp though, I think she does add, like, she adds salt and pepper to the shrimp already before she adds the batter, and then she fries it. For the basil, just wash it off, dry it off a little bit, and then put the mixture on it, fry it up, and then afterwards add a little salt and pepper, and it's so amazing. And that's the same thing that we used when we did the yellow squash before, and it's literally so good. The flavor combination again is just so tasty, so I highly recommend it. So you guys have to try it, and if you guys do try it, let me know down below in the comments, because it is so good. And just had that with a little bit of rice, and we were good to go for the evening. And then for dessert, those chocolate chip cookies were amazing. Mom, those chocolate chip cookies were so good. Cade loves chocolate chip cookies. It's his favorite dessert, and he had so many of them. And it's funny because Elizo and Zach do not really like chocolate chip cookies at all. I don't even think they had one cookie. It's really just Cade's favorite, and that's like his go-to thing. Whereas Elizo and Zach, they like more I'm trying to think of what Zach really likes. Like, he does like ice cream, but Zach and Eliza, I feel like they really like fruit. So, like, they'll want like watermelon or like mango or oranges or apples, but they've always been like that. And Eliza is like borderline almost like a vegetarian, because he really does not like meat too much. He's very picky with the kind of meat he eats, but he'll eat like he'll eat like salad, lettuce, tomatoes, cucumber. He loves cucumber, carrots, avocado, and then like every fruit. And then he loves sushi, so he will eat like seaweed and the imitation crab meat or whatever is inside the sushi. And he does eat salmon as well. And yeah, so that's pretty much a vegetarian, right? Like, but he does love he does love bacon. Like that's really the only meat that he like will willingly want to eat. He loves like the bacon cut up into little pieces, and then he'll eat that with rice. So strange children. But that's the end of the video. We didn't really do too much today. Nothing really too exciting. I know a couple of you guys have expressed interest in my in like how we fertilize the garden and stuff. So I'm gonna try and film that this week. I don't know if I'm gonna be filming that tomorrow, maybe the day after. Tomorrow I think we're gonna go, I think mom placed like a Sam's Club order, so we're gonna go do the curbside pickup. So that's awesome. We love the curbside pickup. It's so convenient, and you don't have to actually go inside, which is awesome. You just park, you just drop it off inside of your car, and then you're on your way, which is very, very nice. And that's pretty much all I think we have scheduled for the week. A lot of you guys have also been messaging about the backyard. Yes, we did pass already. People, I don't think everyone saw, like, I don't know if that video popped up for everyone. I don't know. I feel like my videos have not been like really like popping up for people on their YouTube. So if you guys haven't done so already, like hit that little bell notification, because that'll ensure you get updated. But yeah, I don't know what's happening with YouTube, but I feel like that's happening a lot. So, also if you guys could give this video a big thumbs up, that'll help immensely, and it'll help like that YouTube algorithm. I've never really, like, I have no really clue about any of that kind of stuff. You guys know, like, I'm like the absolute worst at all that kind of stuff, but trying to learn some stuff. So if you guys could hit that thumbs up button, hit that little bell notification, so you guys will be notified when new videos do go up. But yeah, we did pass in the backyard, so everything that's here right now is a-okay. And then we're waiting to hear back from our contractor for like the new design of the fireplace TV wall in the patio, and then also that pergola that goes over the barbecue. And they're just trying to figure out all the new designs and where to source like the extra materials and stuff that we need. Hopefully they'll be able to track down the same stone that we have on the wall thing in the patio, because we don't have extra of that, I think. But they were able to source it before, but I think, no, actually I don't even think they really needed any extra before, because for the barbecue, it's like that same stuff, but I think they literally just reused everything, and like they didn't even have to buy any new pieces. So that was actually really amazing how they were able to do that. I should actually just do like a whole video showing like what happened with the backyard, with like the video of it being built and then taking down and then getting put back up again, because it's literally crazy what happened. But that's the end of the video for now. I love you guys so much. Hope you guys had fun. Oh, don't forget to check out too, I did post a new haul video and unboxing videos. So if you guys haven't checked those out, go check those out. I did also list new items in the shop, and I have listed new items in the shop after that as well, and I still am adding more things. It's just a slow process. I don't know. I've just been a little bit slower, like listing things in the shop. Kind of just like this whole like quarantine thing and not really going out. Like I feel like I've just been kind of like taking it a little bit more easy. Like I feel like the past like few years I've just been like go like nonstop, and I've just been kind of like, I don't know, taking a breather. But I think I'm ready to like start going like how I was before. So I'm gonna probably be listing a lot more stuff, and I'm trying to source even more stuff online as well. And yeah. Anyway, that's the end. I love you guys so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow bright and early at 7. Until then, I bid you all adieu. Bye!